do this.
Hey, guy. Hey. Don't shoot us. We're shooting them. We're shooting each other. As soon as they line up, it's like.
If anything, I say we just stay back and let them do it.
Let them do their work. We all pile in here.
Up here and lays down.
Leave the door open though, so if a grenade comes in.
Yeah, that'd be fucking pissed.
New army tactics. Don't worry about it.
Wait, what?
He said no.
What's going on?
I believe it.
Huh? We're all laying up there naked.
Hold that real quick.
God, I'm not in the army.
Turn to gay.
Never be more proud to be a sailor.
Yeah.
I have a picture of that in my office.
Hey, y'all all just want to get in tower and just sit in there
It
for a little
says
bit?
it's going to protect me this round.
Yo, let's go in hospital.
I bet that, man.
No.
That man is
Hospital's
so
so easy to
serious.
get into.
Oh yeah,
I
fair
believe
point.
it.
He's so serious.
I think the most important
Hey,
dude I
we're
met
getting in the
center of
hospital. Hey, we're getting in the tower. And just gonna sit in there.
Which one are we getting? The hospital or the tower?
Tower, kids, because there's only one way in.
Ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Yacht.
Allah Akbar.
Everybody shoot the refs. I was gonna throw a thunder beam here. Oh shit, I didn't think about that.
Hey. We leave the door cracked.
Oh wait, hey, they're coming around over
Yo, we leave the door cracked, so if we need to run, we just hit it.
Alright. That down so bad. Fuck.
Make sure the windows stay
Oh crap. Oh shit.
Close the windows.
Close them, close.
Yo, we got a problem with the window.
There is no window. Well, it's broke.
So let me tell you about a story about. Oh, bro, this thing broke on me.
Dude, I thought you broke your tank for a second.
I was so scared.
Oh shit.
Yo, close that window. Oh, it's closed.
So guys, how was y'all week?
Ah, boring.
I did picture about doing a glory hole on my head, not like this.
Well, if that's the case, I got some money.
I really wish I could have.
Yo, I got 20 in my pocket. How long will that get me?
I ain't sitting right here. Fuck it.
How much money?
I'll look out the window.
Didn't you spill like a bad
Yo,
idea?
somebody take a picture of this shit.
Nobody. I don't think anybody.
Here, just get right there, just kind of record everybody and send it to us.
You got a camera.
Oh shit.
Well, now it's done for.
Well,
That's one. Wait, what's in there?
We got him.
he's good.
So he's got it.
We'll just take turns watching.
I'm gonna pass it this anyways. Who's busting that?
That's the same one I got. The mine came
Has anyone got a projector in a movie?
No, but I'll give you guys a show.
Yo, someone got a projector in a movie?
This shit's funny as fuck, bro. Just in case.
I want to have mercy. I should
feel like someone just.
Dude's over there.
Someone climbs up, just looks down. Free kill.
They got fucking radios up. Where's our backup?
Now they're
Where's the other
paranoid.
guys?
No, they just climb on the roof, look
We are
down.
PNF as fuck.
There's a guy in hospital.
Normally,
There's a guy in hospital.
We're African Haji's. This is how the fucking Africans are. As soon as
This
they do
guy in
something, they all
hospital?
go hide.
Is that window up?
That is the fucking.
It's broken.
Fuck! You know what probably worked? Put the top part down. Nobody's tall enough to shoot through that.
There you go.
Fuck it, it's good enough.
Dude, that's it.
Hey, just leave it, it's fine.
If you got shot when that happened,
I'm the one who fucking shattered it. Neither with my sniper. Alright, yo, my shit's starting to fog up, so let me move corners.
Yo, that's why I got one of these.
There you go, yeah, just sit in that corner. Now I don't have to fucking get the door.
Because I'm what?
What?
That's how it looks through that window.
I'm wondering really hard.
You see the guy in hospital?
Yo, there's a guy in hospital. He's like, where are they at?
Yo, hold up.
And then we're just like pointing at him.
I'm waiting for it. Thunder B comes over. This one dives into that room. I'm fucking all.
Yo, Tyler. Tyler. You want to scare him? You
Huh?
want to scare him?
No.
Just open the window. I'll shoot in hospital and then close it. And then we get down. No, we. Yo, if a Thunderbee gets dropped right here, all we have to do is go right there. You won't be hit. There's walls.
All of us have to get over here.
you don't think of the sound?
Shittiest place ever.
Hey, if a Thunderbee comes. Jet?
Yo, technically we automatically win because we're timing it too. We got the most people. Huh?
We're
Yo, Tyler, can you see my eyes through this?
Huh?
Can you see my eyes?
Barely.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah, we're gonna make it home.
What you guys do in the war? We had a cookout. They took this building.
Yo, watch out.
Nice.
There's a guy in the first building. There's a guy in the window in first building.
It's actually a really track they are. Yeah, actually, I have one. Some places are good. I was in places.
They can't afford fucking anything else.
Hey, one of y'all come here. One of y'all come here. Stay down. Stay low.
Tyler.
You keep an eye on the door. Make sure nobody opens it.
Oh shit. This guy saw me.
Yeah.
No, I was waving at one guy and then he moved and then there was a guy over there by the plaque.
I'm waiting to get it on the door.
Oh, okay. Today I'm a little faggot who took $5 from me because he wanted to give me some tortillas. Fuck yeah.
I'd be so disappointed if that grenade goes off on us.
Hey, just run right here.
I'll sit in the back of this fucking thing.
Is it wearing it?
He was in the hospital and waved and then moved. When...
Are you ready? Where?
Where? He's in the first building.
Yeah, I'll move.
You know what's funny?
Actually. Oh shit. Got a guy. Oh fuck. Can't forget. Alright.
What's your name, Combs? Combs, you better be sick.
I thought you left.
Because if you don't grab it, I'm grabbing it.
Pretty left.
Actually, can I see that real quick? That grenade? I want to see something about it.
Does it work?
Yeah, I'm going to pull it and drop it. No, I'm kidding. Don't do that. But pull it on his back.
Alex.
Does the grenade work? Oh my god.
Hey.
Oh my god.
Hey. Yo, guys. One's right here.
Throw it over. No! This is not hot potato.
Ready? He's got more balls.
Alright, I'm ready. Throw it over.
Hey, I'll throw it over.
He's better throw it over.
Hey, you can't shoot through there, buddy!
That's blind fire.
Hey!
Can't fire, fucker.
Is he hit?
Sorry, he said I shot him in the
I was blind fire if I ain't ever seen it, dude. He got it on camera.
Hey!
Oh, you're recording?
He got hit.
Alex, get back here!
No!
No!
Throw it over! Ah!
Run!
He pulled the pin.
No, he has to let go of it. We're fine. He didn't let go of it.
Throw it over.
Throw it! Just throw it! Allah Akbar!
Nothing happened.
Well, it's a dud.
It didn't go off?
No.
What the heck happened?
It went right in the kill house though.
Waiting for it.
Oh. Alright, should I seriously throw it now?
What the fuck?
That was fucking great.
I haven't seen anybody. Yeah, I didn't see her the video.
You guys wanna all just run?
And then you guys want to do Speed House?
Hey, speed soft, let's go.
Speed Soft.
No, I'm go hard.
Yeah, I was the point man.
You guys wanna run?
Go for it. I'll be right behind you.
Yeah, yeah. That's joking.
I'll cover you.
I'll provide support for him.
Hey, you know, looking out the window, it doesn't make the window
Wait, where's he at?
I regret my decision.
Where was he at?
Woodland.
Like watching the door?
Yeah. Or like, watch it right over here.
How many of them are there?
There's like one.
I can't wait to find this video on YouTube like a year and a half.
I'm just recording you guys right now.
Hey, that's us. I don't see anybody.
He's in the wood line, you can't really see him.
Fucking dude.
I'm fucking crying. Somebody's just coming up.
That is not smart.
Just stick your whole head out there.
Hello.
2 or 3. You just
Hello?
Ding ding.
Pizza for delivery?
It's not delivery, it's the donut.
We're open for business.
Hey, hold up.
I don't think any of these go.
Hey, when this goes on YouTube, can you title it?
It's not my
Camping Team
video.
Wins?
I'm getting it from my buddy.
Alright, can your buddy title it Camping Team Wins?
This is called cancer.
Camping Speed Softer. There you go.
Dude, I bet you just because of the thumbnail, bro.
Camping Speed Softer.
Airsoft.
This is clickbait.
Yo.
Where?
Campers get nukes.
Everybody just fires through that window at once. We're bound to hit somebody. All the fucking time.
Nobody there?
Hold on, who's shooting?
He's in the wood line. You can't really see him.
Who's shooting?
He's out here to the right.
I think it's a dude fucking just unloading his select gun.
No, he's shooting the wall over here.
Somebody shoot someone.
I don't think you can.
What if the game's not actually going?
Oh, he's in Maine. He's in Maine in that dark corner.
Right here?
This is
No,
where
no,
the
no.
grenade comes in.
No, the dark corner, the one as soon as you walk over.
Yo, you guys dare me to run out there and run in main building?
Do it.
I dare you to do it naked.
Do it.
You won't
Only for you, Dad.
Hey, just go behind you. We're not falling out.
Hey, what is this called?
Yo, you guys ready?
Hey,
Oh
go
my
for it.
god, the last.
No, you're ready.
Oh, hit. Hit. Yeah, no, you hit me.
Hey, what's going on about the respawn? Hey, window go away! Window go away! Hey, respawn! 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 Respawn!
Tyler! Open the door! Open the door, it's me!
Password!
It's Hunter! Fuck!
He's banging on the door. Open the door!
I said, what's the password?
Yeah, I'm like, what's the password?
Oh god!
I have a brevity code on. See right there.
Where's the AK at?
Legal.
Holy crap!
Legal.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Can you shoot
Who's
him?
tall?
Not
I
me.
ain't tall.
I need tall people.
Why do you think I'm not
There's a guy in the hospital.
I believe it. I'm shooting at him. You guys got my back,
Hey.
right?
There's a guy on truck. It's right there, Alex.
Yeah, Alex. Get your hands over here.
Oh God.
Alright. Because I made you come with my mouth.
Yes! Yes!
Oh yeah, we didn't lose a single player. Yeah.
Oh fuck!
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh, you guys are gonna get home.
Hey guys.
Wait, we got the most team.
Our whole team lived.
We watched Hunter come out, and he was right there.
you sit at
I wanted
spawn
to,
like 6 times.
I wanted to take the shot, but I didn't.
Yeah, what?
I didn't, because I didn't know how many people were in here. Then all of these guys would have came out and like, killed us all.
Today's Survivor night. I tried to smoke it.
15-minute game. You get hit, you're out.
Who's got those thunder beats?
Oh God. Yo, the Thunderbee went in the kill house.
Oh, right here.
Same thing, different game.
Oh God.
Nah, I was thinking
No, let's run satellite.
right here.
No. Yo, Tyler, let's run satellite. Back way.
No, expect it. We get walkway, we have the middle.
On your bomb squad.
Huh?
Because we got 2 escape squads.
Yeah, but we can't get
That's the grenade.
Whatever, not.
Hey, you still have another one of those, right? You still have another one or no? Fuck. We wasted our only grenade.
We're dumb.
Alright, so are we going satellite?
They're gonna go into that fucking building.
Let's just.
Or hospital.
Nah, not hospital.
Yeah, but the thing between them is we could take the boat.
We can take hospital.
Well, there goes one that worked.
If that hit my truck, I'm shooting you in the face.
I'm gonna shoot you.
Yo, let's just run satellite. Everyone watch the door and windows.
Alright. Hey, let's go.
Get like. Go, go,
I'll
go.
cover your big ball.
Yo, I'll watch the door.
We got guys.
Wait there.
Yeah.
Yo, who's behind you?
What?
Alright, I'll watch the door.
We're gonna defend this building. It's our home.
No, Gavin, no. Gavin, sit right here. Watch that like this.
You gotta think, bro, it's sudden death.
Yeah, I know.
The numbers 1 on this.
Let me say something for the fans out
Don't
there.
fight all these shots.
We love you. It's been a great day. We're hiding in the building.
Hospital. Right window.
We're gonna win the game. Yippee-ki-yay, motherfuckers.
Hey, watch window. Satellite, our hospital.
Watching our back.
Tyler's that threads on it.
Mm-hmm.
Where you got this? Got threads on it? Wanna try this?
I think so.
Yeah. You stay there with him. Watch that window.
It's not a quick detach.
Oh. They said you had threads.
When you're watching the
Oh,
window,
no.
just watch from the window.
It's just a flash fire by itself.
Oh,
Hear me?
Watch him die.
I can't reach there.
Okay.
There's one in the window though.
From through the window. Look in the window.
Hey, I'm gonna get in that blue building in the corner.
It's gonna suck if somebody comes
We get one more over here.
Hey, somebody watch that window in the far. On that side, I'm gonna have, I'm gonna take 2 guys with me to go fix the blue building on this far end, and do call out. Hunter, go to blue building.
Tyler. Oh, where are they?
Tree line.
Hey.
We got
Hey, who's the truck? Who's the truck?
It's a fresh tank.
I'll slam it. Brian, push the truck.
Woods were in play, right?
Hey, Tyler.
Huh?
I'm gonna try to go to Kill House.
Push.
Tyler. Tyler. Come on. Behind you. Back, 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 back. Back spawn. Hit! Dead man?